Welcome to the Witcher class. Today we will see a new poem in English, that is the Count Your Garden. Okay, so in this poem, the poet tells us to count the worth of our garden. Okay, in this poem, actually the poet comparing the garden with our life, and the poet tells us, advisor, that we should always count the good and happiness in our life, and we have to forget the sadness. Okay. First, first I will read the poem for you, each stanza, and then after I will explain. Okay. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours. Don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadow. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. Okay. So, students, in this poem, as you can see in this picture, this is the garden, such a beautiful garden. Here's we can observing trees, flowers, okay, of fresh trees and the flowers. Students, here the poet trying to tell us that the garden and our life, they're comparing the garden and our life. Okay, house in a garden, some leaves are fell down, some some flowers are some flowers become dull. So that means even our life also we have the happy and the sad moment. What we have to do in that happy and sad moment, we have to forget to think about the sad moment, and we have only gives the important to the happiness, because it gives you the positive energy. Now let me learn, starting two stanza, what is given in this two stanza. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. That means you have to count your garden by the flowers, how they look so fresh and colorful. So you always count your garden with the flowers, never by that leaves which is fell down. The leaves, the unwanted leaves, which is not necessary for the trees, they fell down. So here the poet tried to say that the unwanted things or unwanted situation, you have to be forgot, you have to left out from your life. You always remember a good thing in your life. Count your days by the golden hours. Count your days by the golden hours. What that mean golden hour? That means the precious happiness hours that you have to think always. Okay, we should count the days by the numbers of precious hours, not by recollecting the bad experience of our life, the bad experience or the worst situation, whatever we face, that we have to be forgot. Don't remember clouds at all. Clouds, that means a bad memory of your life. Okay. Through this poem, Count Your Garden, the poet want to tell us that we should always count a good thing that we have in our lives and not the problems. We have to forget the problems. We must look at the positive side of life, not at the negative side of life, because negative side is never gives you the pleasure. It's never develop your personality, but the positive is always makes you laugh. It may always make gives you happiness. Okay. Now let us see the next. What is given in the next? In the next, it is given, count the nights by star, not shadow. You have to count your nights by star, not by the shadow. That means not by the darkness of the life. Count your life by the smiles, not tears. Always smiles. Always counts your life with a full of joyful, not from your tears. And with joy, on every birthday, enjoy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. That means whatever birthday you celebrate, that you have to count your age, that you have to count your age by friends, that how many good friends you have, not by your years. So basically, what is given in this last two stanza, and and finally, every year we should count the now nights by star, not by the darkness, not by the shadow, and our lives by smiles, not by tears. You have to count your life by the smiles, not by the tears. And finally, every year on our birthday, we all are celebrate the birthday. We must count our age, not by the years that we have to count, not by the years that have passed, but by the friends we have. That how many good friends we have, that we have to be count. Okay. So in this poem, students, basically the poet gives you the good message that children's the life one coins. Have you seen a one coins? The one coins have a two-sided. Some is a happiness, another one is a sad. So life is also the same thing. One time you face a happiness, and the next moment you can face a sadness. But you have to forget about the sad and the worst situation. Only you have to take the happiness in your life. So count your garden. Just a second. So count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall, because that is an unwanted thing. We don't want that. Okay. Count your days by golden hours. Golden hours, that means a precious and good memories which you spend by with your parents, with your friends. Don't remember clouds at all. That means don't remember worst memory. Count the nights by stars, not shadow. You have to count the twinkle star with they are very bright and sharp, shine, not clouds. Clouds, that means that is a darkness. It shows the dark. Count your life by smile. You have to count your life within a smile, not your tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends. That means you have the birthday. Finally, last line, what is given that every year you celebrate your birthday, that we must count our age. You have to count your age, but not by the years that have passed, that itne saal chale gaye. Don't wait, don't think that the years has passed away, that you have to be focused how many good friends you have. Good friends, that means who help you, who stand with you in a difficult situation. How many good friends we have. All right. So student, this is a very great poem which gives you the positive energy, who's taught you that you should always be in a positive. If you are in a positive situation, look towards in front of the person a good thing and the good qualities. All right. So this is all about the today's poem, that is it. Count your